Hi, I'm Sam and I'm here to talk to you about our range of loose fill. Loose fill, which is also known as packaging peanuts, is used to fill the gaps around the product and minimise any damage caused during transit. We have two main types available, EcoFlow and the EcoFlow Ultra. EcoFlow is made from starch. It is both fully compostable and biodegradable. EcoFlow Ultra is our premium offering, providing increased resistance to water. It performs more like polystyrene because of its rigidity, but keeps the environmental benefits of starch. The EcoFlow and the EcoFlow Ultra are both available in large 15 cubic feet bags. We also have a 3 cubic feet retail option for smaller businesses. If you deal with chemicals, liquids or hazardous goods, we also offer our mineral-based void fill, Vermiculite. Vermiculite is fireproof and highly absorbent, which makes it perfect for packaging hazardous goods. So that is our range of loose fills. For the outer protection, we stock a range of different boxes with different strengths of board, which cater to all sizes and shapes of products. Thanks for watching.